I want to introduce you to Ask AI within the Go High Level platform. Not only can you ask it all kinds of questions about your account, also ask it to do things for you. Okay, so let's test this out. Let's say I want to set up a pipeline, for a sales promotion that I'm setting up. Normally, to set up a pipeline, you'd have to go into opportunities, right? And then, pipelines, and then spend time, setting it up, creating the stages and everything like that. But now with Ask AI, we can ask it to do it for us. So I needed to set up a new pipeline with stages representing a sale process for a digital, for a free lead magnet as a lead generation tool. Process includes a form submitted, email and SMS, drip campaign to upsell new products, I'll say, and ultimately close the sale. Let's see if that works. Fetching CRM proxy opportunity pipeline. So it's going into the opportunities here and starting to look. I can see all your existing pipelines. Now I'll design a brand new one called Lead Magnet Sales Pipeline. And it's telling us, look, tailored to your process based on the form submission, the email and SMS drip, the upsell, and the close. Here's my proposal. Okay, so he said, this is my idea. This pipeline will track leads from the moment they claim your free lead magnet all the way through the upsell and close with 8 purpose-built stages. Now, I didn't tell it which stages. It determined this because it's smart, and and I can go in and edit this later if I wanted to. But look, from lead magnet form submitted to the email drip active, the text messaging active, upsell offer presented. The lead has been introduced to a new paid product. And then the prospect engaged, the lead is responding or showing some interest, right? The proposal and offer is sent, formal offer or sales page link delivered, and closed or won, meaning the sale is completed, or lost and opted out. The pipeline configuration is pipeline name is lead magnet sales pipeline. Show in funnel view, yes. Show in pie cart, yes. And total stages is 8, right? 1 through 8 here. Approval required. This will create a brand new pipeline with all 8 stages in your account. No existing pipelines will be affected. And so it asks you, is this okay? Do you approve of this? Can I go ahead and create it? And I'm just going to say yes. Create it. And now it's thinking, it's doing its thing, it's literally building the pipeline for us in seconds, instead of, the 15, 20 minutes that it would normally take me to build it from scratch, because I'd have to think through all the stages and make sure everything is in the right order and things like that. I now have a brand new pipeline already done for me. And it says, would you like me to help with any of these steps? So to make this pipeline fully operational, here's what, and then it suggests next steps. So you'd have to connect the form, obviously, and then build the workflows for the drip campaign, right? Set up the email drip campaign, create the actual emails and text messages, right? The same thing here. And then add your tags and triggers. Pretty cool, huh? Here it is, lead magnet sales pipeline. Bingo. Let's take a look. And here we go. Just like it outlined before to us, right? We have the lead magnet form submitted, the drip, email drip, the text message, the upsell presented, the prospect engaged, and each of the steps outlined, just like it told us it did.
This is what Ask AI is capable of. So it can add a lead to a nurture drip campaign and also send follow-up text messages. It can book appointments without jumping between screens. It can also pull transactions and spot failed payments. It can pull leads from Google search based on location in a clean markdown table format. You guys are going to be blown away by that. And it can also find opportunities over a specific dollar value and update your pipeline stages in bulk. Content and image generation, just like ChatGPT, it can generate drafts for your blogs, your emails, and last but not least, it can also be there to help support you. So I hope you guys are excited as I am about Ask AI. It is taking your marketing to a whole new level. For sure. So be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming tutorials. I've already got a few lined up that I'll be publishing soon. Let me know in the comments what you think. And also, hey guys, if you don't already have Go High Level, I offer a 15-day free trial. So check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
If you're new to Go High Level and looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get up and running quickly, check out Real Leads Finder Pro's courses. The Success Hub is a step-by-step video library built for beginners with ongoing training on automations, AI tools, reputation management, and real marketing strategies. Visit realleadsfinder.com for more information.